Hey friends, if you wish to read text vertically in Word or Excel, then please watch this video. Now, the procedure is the same for Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So I'll show you. Now select the text in one. Okay, let's say that I wish to delete the first two letters of each and every text. It wouldn't make sense for names as I've shown, but this is just an example. A lot of people will have a lot of uses for it. So I'll tell you how to do it. Put your cursor at the very beginning. Press the Alt key, select all of these options, okay, as if you're creating a rectangular box for the text that you want to delete. Now it is selected, just hit the delete key and it's gone. Similarly, if you wish to do it from the front, just pick it up accordingly. But as you can see, it is not picking up the last text because it is only going to pick up in the order. Like for example, if I am picking up the fourth and fifth column, it will pick up the fourth and fifth column only. I'll show you when I delete it. Look, this is what happens. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.